Hello everyone, welcome back to Coding Scribe. In this video, we go to the lesson 3 drawing in the game lab. Okay, for the first puzzle here is to explore the game lab. Let's go to do this. Okay, look at the line of the code in the workspace below. Okay, this instruction, and can you click the show me here button here, and you can see here. Here's the code. Okay, and discuss with your partner where you think the shape will be drawn on the grid. Okay, so you can click this grid here. Okay, click run the program and see what's happened. Okay, and check the number inside the block, then try running the program again and try to place the rectangle near the bottom right of the screen. Okay, what you have to do is just go here and consider what is this block of code here, and when we click run, where do you think where the shape will be drawn? Okay, so for the first is rect and 100 and 100. Oh, what is 100 for the first and what is the 100 for the second? It is x position and this is y position here. So when you move your mouse here and you make it hover on the screen, you can see the x position and y position is random or dynamic here, increase or decrease. Okay, when you take down, the y is up. Okay, and you can take it to back and the y position is go a little bit small, and you can take to right, the x position is increase, go back and it decrease like that. Okay, the x is, it means that is for the first is 100. So 100 you can move your mouse here. This is 100 here. Okay, and after that 100 of y or equals, and you can come down here and 100 and 100 it will be here. And after that, when you click run, the rectangle will be drawn here. Okay, now we click run. Okay, it's here. So in order to place the rectangle near the bottom right of the screen here, what you have to do is to determine what is x, what is y value. For here is you can take your mouse over here, you can see the x and y position under the reset button here. You can see under the reset button, you can see it's around 350. So what you have to do is you have to change this value to 350, and this one also 350. Okay, like that, and after that you click run. Okay, it's here. So the rectangle start from this the top left corner. Okay, so that's all for this. You can click finish, continue. Okay, in this video will be introduce you about how to use the rectangle, the ellipse like that. Okay, and what is advantage of using the block mode, and continue for me. Okay, let's see. So for the puzzle 3 here, okay, place square in the corner like that, like these pictures here. Okay, you can see here, top left corner and the top, no top, at the bottom right corner here. Okay, so place two rectangle exactly in the corner of the screen, just like the picture. So what you have to do is just change this. For the first rectangle is turn it to 0 and y also 0, so it will be drawn here. You can see this is 0x and 0y here. Okay, run, can see here. And the same like for the first puzzle, you can copy and paste is 350 for the bottom right corner. Okay, 350. You can come from the top. Okay, you can come from the left to right. You can find the 350, and after that go down for 352. Okay, you can see it here. Run. Okay, like that. Okay, I hope you understand it. And another one, if you don't know how to use the block rectangle, you can click here to the at the end we have an arrow here. You can see the example and you can click it and to see what is the rectangle do and what is the inside which category and what can it do. Okay, and we can use it with no stroke no fill like that, and this is next example. Okay, so you can see it in the next puzzle. Okay, but I just introduce you where can you can find the place to read about document of that block. Okay, so we can finish it. Another one is the video that introduced you about the no stroke and no fill. No stroke, no fill. Okay, continue. What is no stroke? What is no fill? Okay, so for now, when we click run, we can see the two square here with the blue fill. Okay, like that. So what you have to do and do this and look at the code, set the color, show me here and the colors here, change this to yellow. Okay, yellow, you can tap it and reset and run again. Another one is you can add a new square by dragging this. Okay, dragging this rectangle or dragging from the block and put it here. It will become the it will be the show text, and you click the show text, it will be show back to the block like that. Okay, you show the block. It's up to you. You want to show the text or you show the block. But for easy way, you can show the block. Okay, so it's up to you. Okay, so now I show it as block, and I want another one square it here, down here. So you move your mouse here, you can see the for the x is 200, for the y and 202. You can press and run. No, it's in the wrong place. 200, so x is only 100. Okay. Reset and run. So it's the same, right? Okay, so finish it. And another puzzle is you come up here, do this. Look at the code that draw two rectangles, and the first is drawn red and the second is drawn blue. Okay, change the red rectangle color to green. Okay, change the order of the code so that green rectangle appear on the top like that. Okay, like this picture. So what you have to do is change from the red color to green. Okay, like that, and hit run. But the problem is the green is at the backs. Okay, you have to turn it to the top. Okay, what you have to do is just copy and paste. So for me, I just show the text, an easy way to copy. Okay, copy this two line and move it down here. It means that it will be drawn the blue first. Okay, draw this rectangle with a fill of blue, and after that fill the green to the second rectangle like that. Okay, and finish it. Continue. Okay, another block is the ellipse. Okay, so you can use ellipse to make a circle. So look at the code that make the ellipse. Okay, add new ellipse of a different color like that. So if press run, we have another one here. So what you have to do is add another one in here. I think should be in the middle of the screen. So the X position should be 200 and Y also 200. So what you have to do is use another field. You can tap it and press tab. And after that, you have to choose a color. For me, I choose the orange for this. And after that, I tap the ellipse at the position of X 200 and Y also 200 like that, and press run. Okay, and check the show grid. Okay, it's done like that. Finish. And now we go to the practice. Okay, puzzle X. Do lot of practice. You have to practice this tree. Okay, you can choose from the following activity. Now we will complete it. Okay, we have A, B, and C. All these three projects, or these three will, I mean, it has bug. So what you have to do is debug it. Okay, debug this code so that the will appear. So the problem is the wheel is disappear here. So you go to first is debug the car. Okay. So we press run. What you have to do is just move these two wheel from the back to the top. Okay. So it's just quite easy. What you have to do is just copy this two ellipse here and paste it here at the bottom of the code. Press run again. Okay, well done. It's the same. Just click finish. Easy, right? Continue. Another one is debug a flower. So this flower, we have this problem. You have to move these two circles to the center. Okay. Okay, look at the code and make the flower. Change the code that all the petals are attached to the center to the flower. Okay, use script to figure out where the petal should be. So we use script here. Okay. So what you have to do is you go up here and change I think this two ellipse is problem. Okay, if you delete this, okay, this two will be disappear. What you have to do is do it one by one. Okay. So in order to do that, I have to comment this code to make it not run, and I by use these two forward slash here and run. It will be only one here. Okay. For for now I used this for the first, and I will move this one back to this place. So what you have to do is just change the y, not y position, but should be x position. So x position it should be here. So it's around 225. Let me try 225 and reset and run. So okay, it's back. So another one is for this one, and I back, reset and run. So it should be a little bit at least more than that. It should be 200 x and 25 same. And after that, move it up. And in order to move it up, you have to change the y position. Y position it should be 200. Okay, let me try. Okay, no, 200. 225. Let me try. Okay, no, it's not that. More than that. 250. Okay, no. This one 220, like that. Okay, this one it should be 30. Okay, I think this fine. Okay, let me try to fix this to make it more better. 100 and okay, for this I use 195. It's the same, and this one should be the same with it. So I think it should be around 200 and no 35. Okay. Okay, I think this cool. It, I think this is well done for this. So that's all. So just click finish to the next. Okay, to the next debugs. Okay, for the last here. So the problem of this is the black. So what you have to do is to cut this black guy, this black, and paste it here to make the rectangle to be black. Okay. And after that, for the first puzzle, it should be red. Okay. So what you have to do is you change this red to green and change the yellow to not green. It is yellow, and the yellow you change this yellow to the green. And after that, I press run. You can see it here. And after that, you just change this one to be red. But this red guy should be come up here. Okay, reset and run. Okay, we done it. Finish. Continue. Okay, now we finish it for this 3 activity. And then we go to the puzzle 9. Okay, debugging the same, okay. So now we press run. We can see that this purple is put in the wrong place. You cut it and enter this and pass it for the first line. And what you have to do is just come up the fill and the rectangle, come up and put it at the last and change its location to 200, and I think it's 200. Let me try. Oh no, not 200. It should be 150. Let me show the grid. It should be here. So, okay, 150. That's right. Reset and run. So, it's done. Okay, now we go to the last puzzle, puzzle 10, but we have the many activities here, and we go one by one. And the final one is free play, and you can draw whatever you want. Okay, draw the animal and the house, draw the door, and draw something that you want. For the first is you choose here, new block point. Okay. In here we have the new block called the point here. You can see this point. What this point do? Okay, it will draw the single point like that. Okay, so when you press run, you can see this another point. This point is a little bit big because they use the stroke way here. If we cut it and press and run again, it's no point. Okay, when you pass it, the point will be bigger. It means that this is the size of the point. Okay, so the next is stroke way. It's set to 5, and after that, draw an ellipse with the red fill. Okay, and the final is it draw the 3 point. What you have to do is to use point block to finish code. So my picture, what you have to do is draw another point. So another point should be here. So what you have to do, you just go and tap points, and after that you have to make it the right position. Position of this, it should be, I think for the X it should be 200. No, 200. It should be 109, and the Y position, it should be the same with the second point here. It should be 200. Okay, so let's press run and check show grid. Okay, like this, you can see it like a ladybug. Okay, so finish it. Okay, we have the new block, and this is called the stroke way and point. Okay, B. Go to B. Okay, this video a little bit long, but it is that I think you all happy to learn. Okay, so point and stroke way. The stroke weight block can control how big the point is. We can use this block to create a die, okay? Do this, okay? We read the code that make the pictures here and use the stroke weight block to finish code so that's my picture. What you have to do is just drag the stroke block, and after that you make it a little bit bigger, because when you press run, this point is a little bit small. What you have to do, just make it to be 5. Okay, run. It should be the same, right? Okay, and after that, finish it. We go to the C, new block, no fill. No fill is the block that set the shape without the fill, no fill. Okay, for this shape here, the ellipse, it has the gray fill for the fold. Okay, so if you want to be like this picture, what you have to do is just drag the no fill to the top of the code. Okay, you just press reset and run again. It will be like this. Okay, just finish it. Okay, and now we go to this challenge draw image here, and now I press right click and open in the new tab. Okay, and for this I want you to see this picture as sample draw, because here no pictures here. So what you have to do is show this grid and draw this, and for the first you have to draw these 2 square at the top. So that 2 square I draw here, so it should be the here. What you have to do first is you have to fill it with color. I set it to light blue. Okay, and after that I draw the rectangle. For the first is 150, and that Y position always. Okay, no 150. The X position, it should be okay 150 for the Y. Okay, the same. 150 the same, and press run. You can see it here. And no, I use light blue. This is should be like blue or blue. I think this is blue. No, light blue. Okay, same, right? Okay, and after that you draw another rectangle with 200 and the same Y position. Okay, we have this, but in this it will be have the, I think it has stroke, right? But this one is no stroke. Okay, we have to use it, but doesn't have. We can go back to the text and come here and you go to stroke. Okay, stroke, the color is, I set it to black. That. Okay, uncheck, reset and run. Okay, now it has stroke. So next what you have to do is draw this green square, 4 square. So that 4 squares here, it should be come from here. It is 100. Okay, so you have to use this. Fill it is. It is green. And after that, a rectangle from 100. Okay, can draw it 1, and another one is 150, and another one is 200, another one is 250. That 4 square will be drawn. Okay, so next is the 2 circle as the wheel. So you go to the fill again. The fill is red, so you come up here, put it red, and draw the ellipse here. So the center of the ellipse should be here, so it is 150, and the Y position is 250. Let's try. Okay. Another one is we go to ellipse again, and it should be come here. It should be 250 y position, and x position is the same. No, 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 250. Okay, like that. Run. Oh no, what is problem here? Not 200, it is 200. No, what's problem? I put with the wrong position here. For the y position is the same with the 200, but the x position is 250, like that. Oh, why it's like that? Why it come back here? No, it's here. For the first is, oh, I tap in the wrong here. And this one 250 here, like that. Sorry. And for the next ellipse is, you can move x here. X is 250, and this one is the same. Okay, 250. Okay, like that. Uncheck this. So great. So this car is done. Okay, just press finish it. Okay, and after that you go to this challenge, and challenge face. Okay, you have to make this face. Okay, so it's up to you. You can draw this circle as eye, this red circle is nose, this square as mouth. You can draw which one first. It's up to you. But for me, I choose to draw the nose. Okay, so the nose is filled. It will be red. Okay, you can use ellipse here. Ellipse. It should be like that. Okay, that's cool. And after that, you have to draw the mouse. Okay, the mouse it should be here. So the x it should be 150. But before that, you have to use the fill color with the, I think this light green. Okay, and you draw the rectangle. Okay, 150 with the y position is 300. Okay, reset and run. Okay, and it also has stroke. So you saw the text, and don't forget put the stroke at the top with the black. Okay, don't forget this. Come back to the show block, reset and run again, uncheck. Okay, like that. Next, you draw the rectangle again with 200 and 300 y value. Okay, and another one is this guy. Come up here, you drag the ellipse here, go back here 100 of x position, y position it should be 250. Okay, and another rectangle added right here. It should be around 250, this one, and 250. Okay, let's try. Okay, uncheck. Okay, we almost done, but this two, it should be a little bit down. So what you have to do is you increase the y position a bit. Okay, it should be 75. This one is 275. Okay, reset and run again. So it's the same, right? So next is the ellipse fill. With this one is the light. That one is light. I'm not sure, light blue. Okay, let me try the light blue with the ellipse. For the first is the left eye, it should be here. 150. This one it should be 100. Let's try. No, no, not finished. Keep playing. Reset and run. Okay, it's here. So next is it should be here. So another ellipse. So another x is 250. The y position the same 100. Okay, reset and run. Uncheck. Okay, well done. It's quite same, right? So finish it. We go to the next is F. Okay, this F is the challenge. Okay, so what you have to do is to determine this picture, which one is should be drawn first. Okay, so you can see it in detail. For this line, 1, 2, and 3, draw first, and after that, and draw this line. 1, and the one is this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and after that 9, 10, 11, 12. You have to draw 12 of ellipse with the fill of the. It is should be third purple. Okay. After that, we drag the ellipse here. Okay. The ellipse with the 225. I think it should be here. So after that, the y position it should be, I think this one 100 and 125. Let me try for the first. Okay, it should be here for this. And after that, the second is you drag this one here. And after that, you have to make it increase by, I think should be increased by 125. Increased by 25, it should be 100. This one is should be 150. Okay, reset and run like that. Okay, we need two more. We have the ellipse. This one is 275, and this one is 175. And the fourth ellipse is 300, and this one is 200. Okay, that's right. So now we have draw this. And after that, you have to back here. Okay. So go back. You can see this one is should be around here, right? So we can drag this one here. I think this should be around this one. The come up here. So the X position is should be 200. No 200. No. Okay. So let me try 200 and 200. Where it show? Okay, it showed here. So we now we draw this first. Okay. We go back like that. And after that, you have the another ellipse here. You have 225 again. And that one is always 200. Okay, let's go. Okay, what is problem is the. Okay, now let me do it. Come from the left to right first. Okay, another ellipse is I think this will be 250, and this one 200 and 75, 200, and another one is this one 300 and 200. Okay, let me try. Okay, this and this problem is you have to reverse it one by one. Okay, can come up here and copy this. Okay, copy this to the first line. Okay, after that you do this. Okay, because we put in the wrong order of the code. Okay, so the shape is not right. So it should be like that. Okay, 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, so next is we have another force ellipse. What you have to do is draw another ellipse. Okay, this ellipse should be come from this position, top to bottom or bottom to top. It's up to you. Okay, so now I just come here, press run. 1 2 3 4 5, and now I count it. I have the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. No, 10. I delete this one. Okay, now we start with another ellipse with 300 of h, and after that 200. Okay, press and run. Okay, it will be here 300. Okay, so it is problem not here. What you have to do is come up here a little bit. So this one it should be 100 and should be 1. X is 200 and Y position it should be 175, like that. Reset and run. Okay, and after that you copy or not copy, press again. This one X position is the same. What the decrease is the Y position 150. The ellipse again 200. No 100. You put it in, I put it in the wrong place. This one is 125. Okay. And after that another one for the last is should be 100. Okay, that's right. So uncheck it. Okay, that's the same, right? So it's a little bit messy with the code. Okay, but we can do it. Okay, you have to take it from 1 to 1. Okay, so that's all for this puzzle. You have done it. I hope you done it too. Finish. Okay, now we go to the last puzzle is the G, free play. It means that you can draw something that you want, draw something that you like. Okay, for me, now I want to draw something. Now I use a pen tool and to sketch up. What I have to do is I want a circle like that, this small circle here, and another one is circle here, and after that I draw this big circle. This circle, it should be like this, and after that I have to use this as an eye. Okay, this is an eye, and this is the mouse. Okay, I draw this like a panda. Okay, so let's try. What you have to do, the first is you have to show the grid and you draw the ellipse first and with the right here, and after that you have to make it to be a little bit bigger. I choose it around 150 side. That is a lot more. I put it 200. Okay, 200. What is 200? 200 is side of this ellipse. It come from the center to right. It is 100, and come from center to left. It is 100, and we combine it together. It's 200. Okay, and it is the same from top to center, center to bottom. So you can feel this. It's like the panda. What is panda color? It should be gray or light gray or like that. I use okay, gray, reset, okay, like that, or any color that you want, okay. But what you have to do next is to draw the ear, okay. You have to fill. Another one is I used another color is green, like the ear. And let me try for the first. The ear should be here, so you have to put here. It's around 270. I think it should be here, the ears. Okay, 250. 250 of the X and Y position, it should be around 150. Okay, let me try. Okay, that is a little bit small. What you have to do is to increase this to 275, and the Y position it could be 125. Reset and run. Okay, it's come here. So another one of the ear, it should be the same with the Y position 125. The difference between this is the should be here 175. Reset and run. Oh no, it should be 100, 125. Okay. Okay, that's right. But the problem is the ear is not so like that. So what you have to do is just you can rearrange the code this to the bottom. Okay, you draw the ear first like that. Okay, that is a little bit cute, right? So after that, what you have to do is draw the eye. The eye is you can use the circle with the fill. So for me, I just easy for you, make it easy for you to understand the code. I use a command here. For the first is I draw, make the command. It's not word, it is command to make the you understand what this code do. Okay, make the head, draw head. Okay, for this. Oh no, not head. Draw the ear. Okay, draw ear. This one is draw head, and next is we need to draw eye. Okay, eye it should be here. It should be around 225. So I put it fill like the black. I'll fill and put the red. The panda with the red eyes, and use ellipse to 225, and Y it should be 150. Let me try. Oh, but the problem is the eye is a little bit bigger. So what you have to do is you just come here and use a command and put another one is the size is it should be 25. Okay, let me try. Small. It's small enough. I think it should be a little bit bigger because the eye of the panda is big. Okay, like that. So the grid again, and need one more lip. Okay, like the eye too. There should be around 175. Okay, 175 of X, 150, and size of this eye should be the same. Okay, if you put this is 50, your eye is not the same. Okay, like that. So we use it the same. 30 and 30 the same. I think this eye should be more distant. Okay, it should be from this is 250 and this one is 150. Okay. Okay. I never see this panda before. Okay. Okay, well done. Next is we draw the nose of this guy. This guy should be here, this point. So draw nose. The nose is we use you can use the point. Okay. Point with the position of x is should be here. I think it should be 180 and then y position it should be 200. Okay. No. 200. No, I just use one comma only. Done. Okay. So uncheck. Oh, not so because we have to use another one is the stroke way. We use it should be around 10. The nose of the panda. What's problem with my mouse here? Like that. Okay. Another nose we use point the same. It should be around x position. It should be 220 and y position the same. Okay. Reset and run. Okay. This train look like a demon. Okay. Okay. Or this will be a panda. Okay. After that, you have to draw the mouse. Mouse, no mouse, that mouse. Okay. So this mouse you could use can use whatever you want. Okay, I use the ellipse again. It could be here. Should be 250 with the y position. It should be 200. It should be 200, not 50. 200. This one should be 250. Okay, like that. Okay, what you have to do is you have to set the stroke way. Let's do a little bit stroke way a little bit small is 2. Okay, like that. And after that you have to set fill it to y. Okay, uncheck and you can see, okay, this is the demon. Not the demon or the zombie of panda. Okay, so after you finish this free play, you can click finish. Okay, now at the end of this lesson 3 drawing in game lab, I hope you all guys learned something from this video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and the bell icon to get the notification when I upload the new video in the next. Okay, I hope you all guys done it. See you again in the next video.